Alright, this morning I had to go pick up some groceries. I didn't need much. I got me some Raisin Bran cereal. I got me some chocolate milk, regular milk. And I like orange juice every day, so I got me some orange juice. I got me a loaf of bread. I got me a pound of ground beef. And I got me 5 of these Michelin Funicello Alfredo dinners. And I wanted some cookies. I got me some hot dog buns. And I got me some hot dogs and some baked potatoes. And if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you so much. And our snow is gone, thank goodness. Thank you so much for watching.